And in this video I'm going to talk about how to set your table to refresh after update automatically. Now in the last video we looked at when we updated any of our cases, update, what we did was we said update and then redirect to main page, and once it redirected, unless you refresh the table manually, it doesn't really show the data that's been updated. It will show everything in there fine, but it won't in there. So the question is, how do I refresh table automatically? And to demonstrate this problem live, I'll do a demonstration here. We'll log into our form and we'll go into our preview mode. And let's say we'll go into one of these cases here. And we just go ahead and update, let's just say, mark the priority to high and update the case. And look, we just marked that priority to high, but it hasn't really appeared in here unless I go ahead and actually refresh the page. So look, now it's actually gone to high. So the question is, how do I get my table to refresh automatically rather than me having to do it manually? And this is a really handy feature that I think you're going to implement regardless of whatever situation you're in, and it's really handy to know. So I'm going to show you this right away. I'm going to show you how to set a refresh on your table so it automatically refreshes it for you once the update's done. To do that, what we're going to do is we're going to set up a get, and then we'll call that get refresh case table, and our object is going to be case. Sorry, it's just gone a bit slow on me. I'm not sure what's happening. Okay, it's just getting the data. There you go. So it's got the data, and then we'll say using custom button / action. Our condition is going to be my case ID equals no, it won't be case ID. It will be contact ID equals smart V. That'll be a condition, and then we'll say multiple matches found, bring all, and then we'll go ahead and map our fields, our table fields. So it's going to be case number, case subject, and we'll say priority. Click apply again, and apply. Once you've done that, when you're on your main page, you need to click your page break, and then in the settings, you'll need to specify when to use this Salesforce trigger. I'm going to say use it from the next page. So this basically, the Salesforce will trigger when we come from the next page, which is going to be page number 2 from back here. So we'll say trigger the Salesforce from the next page, and then we'll set the action. And our action is going to be refresh case table. We'll add it, click apply, save, and now let's give it a test. We'll go into a preview, and I'll tell you what we'll do is we'll set this 131 to case priority to low. We'll say low. And then we'll either change it to Form Titan, Professional Services. Got my licenses. Thank you. Okay, let's go ahead and update our case. As you can see, look at that. It's updated right away, no problems whatsoever, so fast. It's taken you back, and it's also changed it to Form Title Professional Services, called Case Priority Low. Let's do another one. Let's go in here and change the priority to high. And I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll say, and we'll say it's structural. Priority high, structural, save. Boom, right back in it. Priority high, we're good to go. That's how easy that is to set up a refresh on your own table and get it working. So just to recap, we went back in here, we went to our form, we set up a get, and our get is simple, that the condition we specified was contact ID equals my smart V, bring everything, and then all we did was in a home page we said run the Salesforce trigger from the next page. That's it. That's all we got to do. And the result is right there in front of you. We've just run a couple of updates, and they've updated the table absolutely correctly to whatever the value should be. So let's do a final one. We'll set the case priority here to medium, and we'll say maintenance guidelines for generator, done. So let's update, straight here, done, and medium. And that's how you do it. That's how you set up a refresh on your table, so it can refresh the data automatically once you've run an update on any of your pages, whether it be case or contact or account, whatever have you. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video.